To replace this mirror glass, it's pretty easy. You can put some tape all over it on the front of it to prevent glass from shattering if it does break. And of course, definitely wear some gloves. Basically what you want to do is push it down like this all the way. Grab it with your hands from the top, pry it out, it should pop out, and then it has two little hooks on the bottom. They slide out. I'll show you. So this is what you'll see on the back, the two hooks on the bottom, they hook down, and then the two clips on the top that lock it in. Now take your new mirror, and to reinstall it, all you have to do is basically the reverse. Hook it onto the bottom, press it down firmly to make sure that it is hooked on properly, and then press it onto the top until it clicks, just like that. And there you go. Now you can adjust your mirror, and down the road you go.